Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, December 7th. Seeing some chilly conditions out there once again under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Seeing just slightly breezy winds out there this morning. Winds will slowly decrease as we go throughout the day, becoming light and variable tonight. Take a look at our highs from yesterday across the region. Did see some pretty uniform temperatures. All locations did see high temperatures in the mid-40s. Wallops got up to a high of 45 yesterday. This morning did see some somewhat more seasonable temperatures as the winds were a little bit up this morning. Didn't get quite as cold, but and with a little bit of some mid-level cloudiness as well. Seeing temperatures just above freezing for most locations. Some locations did dip down to freezing, especially Salisbury, which got down to 28. As of 9 a.m., seeing another chilly day starting off across the area with temperatures near 40 degrees for most locations under mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds at the surface at 12Z, and we are seeing those northwesterly winds continue around 25 knots through 3,000 feet, then becoming more zonal from the west throughout the remainder of the column, steadily increasing from 36 knots at 9,000 feet up to close to 100 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning is just above 2,500 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do have high pressure building into the area. That weak cold front shown on the map isn't really going to do much for our weather, just going to help give us that continue our chilly temperatures, bring in a little more cold air, especially tonight, where we do anticipate a very chilly night tonight and some cold high temperatures tomorrow, especially as that high pressure continues to build in, giving us some calmer winds as we go into tonight. So taking a look at our forecast charts, you can see that high pressure will be building in this evening. That'll also help to decrease the winds steadily as we go throughout the afternoon and evening when those winds become light and variable overnight. That'll also help to give us some mostly clear skies, other than some broken thin cirrus tonight. That's going to help to drop those lows into the low 20s across some portions of the Delmarva here. By tomorrow morning, going to be seeing a cold morning. High pressure still going to be in control. Going to be seeing a chilly day as well. We're going to see high temperatures struggle to get much above 40 degrees in most places across the region. Looking at only a high of about 41 for here at Wallops. Then as we go into Saturday evening, we'll start to see clouds slowly decrease Saturday afternoon and evening as we have our next system approaching. It's going to start to develop across the Gulf Coast there and make its way across the southern states. We have been talking about this system all week. Does look like, though, as we discussed a bit yesterday during the briefing, that the trend of the models has been to keep the storms south of the area, and that trend does look like it's continuing. So only going to be seeing a slight chance of some light rain here late Sunday evening, and does look like most of the models agree that that rain, if we do even get any here at Wallops, is going to be out of the area by Monday morning. I think even on this map the rain's a little bit too far north depicted here. Those look like Wallops might be the northern extent of the rain, not really expecting much more than a sprinkle up near the Salisbury area, and it does look like if we do get any precipitation, it is going to be remaining as rain, with any wintry precipitation remaining west of the bay. Taking a look at our forecast chart for today, going to be seeing a high of near 46 this afternoon. Winds are running north-northwesterly right now, around 8 to 13 knots and gusty. We'll see those northwesterly winds decrease late this afternoon, this evening, and then becoming light and variable overnight before becoming northerly around 3 to 7 knots by mid-morning Saturday. We're going to see that chilly low tomorrow morning of 26 degrees due to that high pressure building into the area and those calmer winds. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we're seeing just a few to scattered deck of clouds near 9,000 feet, and then a scattered cirrus deck. That cloud deck near 9,000 feet will slowly decrease throughout the rest of the morning hours, and then this afternoon just going to be seeing a few clouds near 4,000 feet and then some broken thin upper level cirrus, and then that'll be the case as we go into the overnight hours. By mid-morning tomorrow, going to just be seeing a few clouds near 4,000 feet, a few at 10,000, and an overcast thin cirrus deck. For tomorrow, going to be looking at a partly to mostly cloudy day, and those clouds will mainly be in the form of some thickening cirrus as we go throughout the day on Saturday. Going to be a chilly day as well with a high of 41. Saturday night's going to be another pretty cold night around the region, partly cloudy with a low of 29. And then Sunday's still going to be another cold day, going to be mostly cloudy to overcast, and that chance of a light rain won't occur until likely until the evening time frame. And we're also going to see those winds start to pick up just a little bit as that system approaches and passes to the south, looking at still a chilly high Sunday of 42 degrees. So taking a look at our 7-day, we're going to remain rather chilly here in the Wallops region for the extended period, at least for the next week here, looking at temperatures in the low to mid 40s as we go throughout this week, and even early in the next week too. Once we get that system passed to our south, that gives us that only a slight chance of some light rain Sunday evening and the Sunday night. We're going to get some more high pressure building into the area. That'll keep things partly cloudy and cool across the area. Temperature is only expected to be in the mid 40s with chilly morning lows in the upper 20s. And then as we go into Thursday, we're going to start to see those winds shift more southeasterly ahead of another system approaching the area that will impact the region next weekend. This does look to be pretty strong. Does look like it's just going to be a rainmaker at this time, and then but we will be seeing those temperatures increase late in the week with mostly cloudy skies. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.